Hey yo, welcome to my YouTube channel. I still remain Idikureke, your personal guy who trade the forex market for hobby. So sorry about that. So quickly, let me see which is better. This, this, this. All right, so this looks cool. So let's proceed to the market. I want to give you guys a top-down analysis today on what I think is going on in the market. That's for gold. As you can see, technically, gold is actually on a buy level. Yeah, it's on a buy trend. And gold retraced back down. And we're looking at it. Oh, is it going to go further up? So we're yet to find out. So the movement of the market is actually an uptrend, as you can see on the monthly chart. On the weekly chart, we get a different vibe. The vibe is gold is trying to retrace. Now, yeah, gold is trying to retrace. Do we have a double top around gold? Kind of. This is more like a double top, but this has been cleared. And now we're expecting to see that the price of this market moves further down, right? Moves further down. But on the weekly chart, what we saw last week was that this area here, this demand area here on the weekly was respected. Okay. So what are we expecting to see in the market? We're expecting the market to push up to maybe this level here, one, or this level here, two, before we get the vibe of it coming back down. So this is what we're expecting to see. Now it's been rejected here. We're expecting the market to come to this zone, push further down to this area. Yeah, so this is my analysis for the for price action or the market movement this week. So also, don't forget I am actually having a $50 trading challenge where I am planning to take my $50 account to, maybe not maybe, I'm planning to grow a $50 account to at least $1,000 in a month. Yes, that's what I intend to do. So back to the gold analysis. So I've given you my overall decision for what I expect the price should do on gold. But now with this retracement here, how do we get or spot the best place where we will take our entry? Because right now it's retracing. Where are we looking to have our entry to buy gold to the upside, where we are also expecting gold to reject? Because this is my supply level for gold to sell off. So what I can say, looking at the chart right now, what I can say is that we will just need to wait and see what happens. So if you go to the daily, you'll find out that we have, let me even spot out some other demand level on the daily. Now we have a demand level here, starting from this point to this point here for the daily. So since this is a demand level for the daily, it means that we're expecting this to come into this zone area here to push up. So technically, it could even push below the previous high and then start bounces back up technically. And the reason why I'm presuming, I am presuming that is that you have this liquidity level here on the daily. So you expect, and it's not just one, I think you have two of it. So you expect it to come to this level here and technically come to this level here. So what I would normally do is to put in an alert. Let me even take out this pending order. Put in an alert around here. I want to have an alert of let me take, okay, since I have some, let me just take these ones out. Put in an alert around here to notify me when we are in that zone. That's number one. Number two, this area here, I want to also have an alert in that area there. So I'm going to be closing this also. So these two area where here is what I want to see, because that informs me that we are already in the zone. That's one. So if you're more of a day trader or a scalper, you want to have your entry year and year. But for me now, I'm having a twist of mind based on swing trading. So I would want to move this entry that I have here to this area here where I expect the market to come and then bounces back down. So you want to have your stop loss around that area. If you're more of a swing trading, so with that in mind, we are expecting the market to push back down here. This is on the daily chart analysis. So, but we are still kind of observing, seeing what the market is doing. So, as you can see, that's a quick analysis from me, your personal boy, Idikureke Udofia, on the gold market. What we are expecting to see. And interestingly, on the 4 hours, I could even scalp in a demand area here. But because we have this spike here, sometimes the market tends to come clear of that area of liquidity and then start coming down. But just remember, when you see a rejection around here, it probably could be that the market is now ready to go back down. So when it gets to that point, maybe I might teach you guys or explain to you guys how you could take or have a perfect entry into the market. So that's about that. What else do I want to explain on this market? So overall, we're still on an uptrend. Overall, but we're expecting. And okay, let me even add this to the whole analysis. So if you notice, the price is actually having a fresh downtrend. Now, this is a break of structure to the side, and then the price moved up, no, moved up, came back, creates a new up. So now this is another fresh um, uptrend, because we can see that we have a lower low and a lower high. But when the price actually came back to this lower low the second time, it failed to create a new high. So this technically becomes a weak low. And now, when this price was rejected here, what are we expecting to see? We're expecting to see price break this two level here to come back to your previous low. So that's why I think, my own personal view, that price would come back again to this zone level here before it starts pushing up to this side, because last week this same market was rejected within this zone. So we expect the price this week should go further up if rejected around the demand level somewhere around this region here. So that's what uh, I think about the market. But I'm not yet in the trade yet. Yeah, I'm not yet in the trade yet. Actually trading the pounds USD, because I saw a price rejection in there. So, but I'm actually giving it at least an hour to know if the trade is correct. So that's it on gold analysis today. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. And please do not forget to like, do not forget to subscribe, do not forget to share this video, and support me, because I really need this right now. And I still have some other videos on my YouTube channel, like the one we had for Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, I think on Friday. Yeah, that's how we're able to grow our money way above 50% of our trading capital last week. So this was initially $50. We're able to take it up to 85 just last week, Friday till Saturday. All right, thank you so much for watching. And I'm going to come back and give you some updates, or if I intend to have an entry or go. But for now, I'm just going to sit on my hands and watch the market. All right. Do have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Do have a wonderful, wonderful trading week this week. This is Idikureke live on YouTube channel to you. All right. Bye bye for now.